between Power Automate and Power Apps Automate right here. Power Apps versus Power Automate. Okay. So the first important difference here is nothing but Power Apps. Power Apps, why it is used, the important thing about Power Apps is nothing but to build, to build applications. Okay. Whereas the Power Automate is used to just, automate the workflows whenever we want to send the notifications, right? At that time, we use generally the Power Automate. And Power Apps is generally, there are different types of apps like Canvas apps, model-driven apps, okay? And so that, users can interact, okay? Interact. Whereas in Power Automate, it usually runs in the background whenever you may have different types of workflows again here, like automated workflows, scheduled workflows you have, and also you have, the manual triggers as well. Generally runs in background, okay? And the third difference is important difference is, with Power Automate you can just build the forms, custom forms, we can build the dashboards, etc. Whereas this here in Power Automate we cannot build the forms or dashboards. We just it used for approvals, it used for to send the notifications. And the fourth important difference is, generally user can open these apps and they use these Power Apps, okay? User can open apps and use it accordingly. Whereas in Power Automate, it is generally like an event-driven thing. Like there are different triggers, right? So on click of something, it runs in the background, it sends the notification, or you can have the scheduled notifications as well. Notifications. I think these are the major differences. But the basic difference is this is nothing but an app. This is a working app, you can say, working app. And the important this is nothing but is an automated process here. This is for nothing but an automated process. I hope you find this video useful. If you have just got any idea by watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.